Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of growing bananas at home. Yes, you heard that right. Bananas, even if you don't live in a tropical climate. We're gonna break down this seemingly impossible task into bite-sized chunks and show you just how achievable it is. Now you might be thinking, Mark, growing bananas sounds as likely as training squirrels to perform Hamlet. But trust me, with a little ingenuity, we can totally make this happen. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore everything from choosing the right banana variety to planting, care, and even harvesting your very own homegrown bananas. So buckle up, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get started. Alright, before we even think about digging in the dirt, we gotta talk strategy. Not all banana plants were created equal. We're looking for varieties that are compact, happy indoors, and fruit quickly. First up, we've got the dwarf Cavendish. This little champion is perfect for indoor growing, maxing out at about 6 feet tall. Plus, it produces those classic sweet bananas we all know and love. Next on our roster is the ladyfinger banana, topping out around 4 to 5 feet, producing small, super sweet bananas. Remember, choosing the right banana plant is like picking the right teammate. It can make or break the entire operation. Okay, so you've got your banana plant picked out. High five. Now let's get our hands dirty. You got two main options here, starting from seeds or using a banana pup. Starting from seed is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Totally doable, but it requires patience. Banana seeds are notoriously slow to germinate and often need a little extra encouragement. If you're more of an instant gratification kind of person, then using a banana pup is the way to go. These are baby banana plants that sprout from the base of a mature plant. Once you've got your seeds or pup ready, it's time to find them a cozy new home with well-draining potting mix. Pick a pot that's big enough for your banana plant to stretch its roots but not so big that it feels lost. Now, gently place your seed or pup in the soil, give it a good watering, and boom! You've officially embarked on your banana growing journey. Chapter 3. Keeping your banana plant happy, care and feeding time. You've planted your banana plant and it's chilling in its new digs. Now comes the fun part, keeping it alive and thriving. First up, let's talk about H2O. Banana plants are thirsty fellas, so you'll need to water them regularly. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, give it a good soak. Next up is food. They need a balanced fertilizer with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now let's talk about sunshine. Banana plants are sun worshippers, so find them a nice sunny spot. If you live in a particularly gloomy area, supplement with some grow lights. Lastly, as it grows, you'll need to repot it into a larger container to accommodate its expanding root system. It's like giving your teenager their own room. It'll thank you for it later. Chapter 4. Faking a tropical paradise, indoor conditions for banana bliss. We've covered the basics of banana plant care, water, food, sunlight, but remember, we're trying to grow a tropical plant in maybe not so tropical conditions. First up, let's talk humidity. Banana plants love humidity. To keep those leaves looking lush, mist them regularly with water or invest in a humidifier. Next up, temperature. Aim to keep your indoor temperature between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps those leaves healthy. If you spot any pests, a little insecticidal soap or neem oil should do the trick. Chapter 5. The sweet reward, harvesting your homegrown bananas. After months of nurturing your banana plant, you'll finally get to taste the sweet fruits of your labor. As the bananas mature, they'll transition from green to yellow, and the little flower at the end will start to dry up and fall off. Even if your bananas are still slightly green, you can go ahead and harvest them. Once you've harvested your bananas, give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. After harvesting the fruit, you can cut the main stalk down to the ground, and it'll produce new shoots, giving you even more bananas in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting. And hey, if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not try building a self-watering banana plant system? Until next time, keep on growing, keep on experimenting, and most importantly, keep on having fun with it.